In the year 2018, I had visited a small town in Madhya Pradesh called Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is known for its cave paintings, which are one of the oldest cave paintings not just in India but in the world. This small place, which is nestled in the Vindhya Valley, has huge blocks of granite spewed all around. And these huge blocks of granite have these paintings, these early imageries in the color of ochre red, of charcoal black, and chalk white, which depict numerous hundreds of images all around. These images, these sceneries are a peek into the minds and thoughts of our ancestors from 15,000 years ago. So you see stick figures of humans gathered in a circle, of celebrations, of festivals, of family gatherings and other such activities. But most importantly and interestingly, a majority of these images are not of humans, but of the wildlife and the animals that our ancestors shared this land with. I remember I found these wonderful images of herds of deer running across the field as they were being chased by some predators, of huge herbivores like elephants, rhinoceros, many other species which are extinct right now, mythical beings like the Bhimbetka boar, and in particular one image of a deer, a female deer sitting on the ground peacefully, and her abdomen or belly was showing a growing fetus inside. Now, please understand this, that these images, these animals were not being viewed by our ancestors as some prey that they would hunt, some food item they would just devour, some predator they would run away from. No, they were being seen as something much more. They were being seen as elements, as part of the nature that they inhabited the land with. And they were in so much awe of these beings. They did not just, get out time to view and observe them, but to replicate it in the form of these images for the descendants to see for ages to come. Now, this was back then. Nowadays, today for instance, I saw something very interesting. I saw early morning that my parents were sitting in the balcony, and they were observing pigeons and squirrels and a new small green color bird, which I just learned its name is called a barbet, come to the porch and take sips of water and some morsels of food from last night that my mother had placed for them. These sceneries are, these experiences are something I cannot explain why we are doing this thing, what my mother gains from this. But it just feels very natural to view them this way. But now the lockdown is lifting, and as we humans again spill back on the roads and streets and reclaim our urban landscape, I do not know if there'll be place left for our furry and feathered friends. I do not know if we will have the time or the intention to again observe nature like this in its very raw and natural form. But I do know that whatever happens, in those rocks of Bhimbetka, those colors, those images in the colors of ochre red, charcoal black and chalk white will remain to haunt us for ages to come.